We strike at night, capturing the fruit at its peak physiological chill. We strip away the bitterness, leaving only the pure essence of the vine. Before the fire of fermentation, we let the flavors bleed into the juice in a cold, dark rest. Precision chemistry. We calculate the potential power of the alcohol before a single bubble forms. We clear the board, ensuring only our elite yeast strains lead the transformation.
We introduce the catalyst, the living... The tank breathes. Inside, a microscopic war is turning sweetness into alcohol.
We force the skins back into the fray to extract every ounce of color and tannin. If the heat rages too high, the flavor dies. We command the temperature with an icy grip.
We watch the sugar die and the spirit rise.
The purest nectar flows first, unforced and elegant. We squeeze the last drops of structure and soul from the remains of the fruit. The chaos subsides. We let the debris fall to leave the liquid clear. A second, silent fermentation to turn sharp edges into velvet smoothness. We move the soul of the wine, leaving the ghost of the yeast behind.
The wood will be the wine's home and its teacher.
Now we wait. For months or years, the wine breathes through the wood,
stirring the depths to build texture and complexity.
The final alchemy. We blend different characters to create one masterpiece.
We use the earth to polish the liquid to a diamond shine.
Not a single stray cell remains. Total stability achieved.
The transformation is complete. The spirit is captured in glass, sealed for a decade of evolution.
From the sun-drenched vine to the silent bottle, the alchemist's work is done.